Have you ever had the intriguing notion, what would I say to Matt if you were a person? Many of you will probably throw hateful words against him, undoubtedly cursing him for existing in this world. However, I might be among those who say the opposite. If Matt is a person and I am Matt, I will ask people these questions. Hello everyone, my name is Ivy Domingo.
Hello everyone, I am Amy Gracie Dahili.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Angelo Gimpan.
Hello everyone, my name is Ana May Archente.
Hello everyone, my name is Marjorie Domingo Vicente.
And we are a second year BS Ed Mathematics students from SKSU Calamansig campus.
Hello, this is Mary Castle Valdez Reglos from Calamansig Sultan Kudarat, currently a second year veterinary student at the University of Southern Mindanao. I am making this video to answer a few questions requested by a friend, by my cousin, regarding on mathematics. So, the first question is, do you love mathematics? Personally, not a fan, but I do love the thought of mathematics being a solid foundation in making the world a better place. So, kasi when we talk about mathematics, the first thing that we can think of is it helps us measure, it helps us compare and evaluate quantities accurately. So, with those knowledge, with those given those learnings, it hones the skills of posing hypothesis, designing experiments, analyzing data, problem solving, and such. The third question is, what are the problems you encountered while dealing with mathematics? At an early age, as a child, I wasn't that good until now. So like, that's why I said na hindi ako fan. Because personally, I know that I am not that skillful. I am not that skillful. Yeah, I am not that skillful enough to actually learn equations, learn solving complex problems. So yeah, in conclusion, not a fan, but we love.
Do I love mathematics? It is neither love nor hate, but in between. You see, mathematics and I have a love and hate relationship with each other. Sometimes we understand each other and sometimes we're not. Why is that? For me, I have trouble understanding mathematics properly without deeper comprehension and lectures that venture into depths of the topic. I myself don't learn that quickly like the others, and I envy them. I am a slow learner and need to be properly lectured once on math. I don't do well with mathematics and numbers, but I don't hate them for it. It's just that my brain doesn't register it that quickly and often forgets. Sometimes it's overwhelming for me, making me question myself. Occasionally, I'd be embarrassed and ashamed for not being able to understand that quickly, even in simplest problems. And I often rely on a calculator, and also towards my classmates. So what are the problems I encountered while dealing with mathematics? It's the pressure I have when it comes to exams. You know that I have a lot of things embedded in my mind, and then there's math. Math adds up to my stress and the pressure that I have to learn this and that. I have to understand this and topic. It's that without tutoring, without tutoring sessions, I would have been so lost and have probably gone mad on how to keep things sorted. So, but watching videos, that when they say that, oh, you should watch videos on YouTube, but it's not enough. Watching videos in YouTube is not enough because I have multiple questions that rush through my mind and I can't just ask them right away virtually. Because if I post a comment, I would have wait for like God knows how many days or weeks or maybe months. Who would know about what answers, or maybe that specific YouTuber would never answer me. So watching videos in YouTube would be a bit complicated for me, and I'm not like the others that would understand it that quickly. Sometimes I rely on my friends for answers, and it embarrasses me for not knowing it myself because I get that feeling that, oh, why did you understand it that quickly? It's so very easy to understand, and it kinds of like embarrasses me to the point that I don't ask them that much, to the point that I'd be ashamed asking them for it. There are problems in math that makes it so complex for me. I just couldn't understand it anymore no matter what I do. It's like learning Chinese. Do you know what I mean? Because Chinese. But I hope that someday I would go past this challenge and overcome my stress towards mathematics and understand it better. I really hope so, since I am grade 11 STEM, upcoming grade 12. So it would be my life, and I just hope that I go past with this. That's all. Thank you.
Violet, do you love mathematics?
Not really.
Why not?
Kasi mahirap talaga siya. And hindi ako makagets kaagad at the first try. At yeah, matakot ako na ma-disappoint yung mga nagturo sa akin.
Ano kayong last? What are the problems encountered in mathematics?
Yeah, as I said earlier, yung natakot ako hindi mag-get. Pero, oo pala. Sabi ko sa galing ko. Yun, mahirap siya intindihin at first, and second, and third. Pero, yung, learning ko man talaga, madali siya. Pero ayaw ko yung learning na grabe katagal. Gusto ko gets ko kaagad. So yeah, ayun ang mga problem na yun.
Okay. Thank you.
Do I love mathematics? Yes, I appreciate mathematics because it is logical and structured. I like it because it helps solve real-world problems and improves the critical thinking skills. It also provides clear answers, which makes it satisfying to work with. What are the problems I encountered while dealing with mathematics? So some challenges I encountered in mathematics includes complex problems, which some equations and formulas require multiple steps and deep thinking. Also, the abstract concepts, which some topics like calculus and algebra can be difficult to visualize. And lastly, the math anxiety. So many people feel nervous or overwhelmed when solving math problems.
Hello everyone, I'm Princess Joseph from Sultan Kudarat State University, Tacloban campus, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. So it was really an honor to be part of this activity or interview series. So I'll proceed to questions was given to me by Marjorie. So to answer that, firstly, do you love mathematics? So to answer that, I really can't say that I love mathematics and I don't love mathematics. I think I'm in average one, that I do love mathematics in smaller numbers but not in a bigger numbers. Why and why not? Maybe because not not all equations, problem solvings, kaya ko. But some of them, maybe if in a smaller number, like number series, mga ganyan lang, odd and even numbers, I can say that medyo kaya ko pa. Pero yung mga bigger numbers na you need to see, validate, ano pa yung, what we call that, I really don't know what's the right term for that. Pero when it comes to bigger number, no, I don't like it. In bigger numbers, maybe yes, but while encountering that problems, the things that I do to cope up with that problems is that I watch tutorials on YouTube. I ask questions to our professors during my first semester when I was first year college, and even up to now, since I'm in second years, we are still have statistic and computer studies. So with that questions, I conclude that not everyone may not good in mathematics yet. They can cope up with that. They can find a solution for that to fix that problem. For example, like what I've said, watch tutorials in YouTube. Actually, that's all, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Jinmer Ubayuna, a BSed Mathematics student of SKSU Calamansig campus. So we have 3 questions here. The first question states, do I love mathematics? So honestly, I really dislike mathematics when I was in elementary because there's a lot of formula to memorize and there's a lot of equation to familiarize. And I find mathematics difficult to understand. But growing up, I was fascinated by numbers. I was fascinated by its process, and that's how I love mathematics. So third question, what problems did you encounter while dealing with mathematics? So as a BSN mathematics student, there's a lot of equations and formulas that we needed to solve. But one of those problems or difficulties that I have faced or encountered is the abstract algebra. I can say that algebra itself is a basic field, but abstract algebra with reasoning and proving out, it's quite new to me, which I can find it really hard. There's a lot of reason out to conclude that that's your answer. You need to prove and reason out to get that answer. So that's abstract algebra. It's such a difficulty for me.
So, good day. My name is Karen, and for me, mathematics is neutral. So, hindi ko siya super love and also hindi ko naman siya super hate. So, I'm stuck between the middle. Neutral siya kasi sometimes pag teacher, kunwari, nagbibigay siya ng examples. So, pag madali or nasusundan ko yung examples, so naisip ko agad na parang madali lang pala yung mathematics, parang love ko siya. So pag sometimes naman, pag mahirap naman yung question, so ako nahihirapan din na mag-adjust. That's why minsan naisip ko na hindi ko na lang siya pag-aaralan kasi naisip ko agad na mahirap siya kasi hindi ko siya nasasabayan. That's why minsan nahi-hate ko siya. So yung mga difficulties or problems na nadideal ko within the mathematics subject, so syempre yung mga different types of formulas. So since I have a short-term memory, so mahirap kasi ngayon memorize mo siya, pagdating bukas or ng ibang araw, makakalimutan mo na siya. So and also kapag for example, memorize mo yung formula sa problem na binigay ni sir or tinuro niya. And then, pag nagbago na yung problem, iniisip mo kaagad or iniisip ko kaagad na nagbabago na din yung flow ng process or yung formulas. So, you know.
Do you love mathematics?
No.
Why not?
Ang hirap talaga siya. Lalo na kung tamad ka mag-aral, tapos like, na-exam kayo or mahirap. Tamad ka, tapos yung every step, like kahit may step na yan sa libro na ginasundan mo or kahit sa YouTube, tapos hindi ko pa rin makuha. No.
Okay.
Ito.
What are the problems you encountered in mathematics?
Yung mga mahirap na quizzes, alam niyo yung gituro, tapos kakaiba siya sa quiz. Yun talaga ang problema ko.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I do love math, especially the statistics and arithmetic, but I never said that I'm good at it. But actually, I can solve different equations and analyze formulas. So mathematics is one of the hardest subject matter, and most of the time it leads me to have a confusion and mental blocks in terms of numbers and formulas. However, it made me to strive for me to be able to have mathematical skills and to develop my capabilities to conquer different equations. So when it comes to math, there's no substitute for practice. You just need to practice for you to excel. The problems that I have been encountered while dealing in mathematics is that I have short-term memory, so I'm struggling in formalizing difficult equations. And also mathematical anxiety attacks me, leading to decreasing of my performance in math.
Hello, I am April Joyce Domingo Vicente and do I love mathematics? Before, yes. Ngayon, hindi na. Kasi, who likes dealing with numbers, diba? In your everyday lives. Kaya, I don't like math anymore. And the problems I've encountered while dealing with mathematics, the teacher itself, and the problem. Kasi kung bigyan niyo ako ng problema, huwag lang ang math.